howl at them when we go by.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
I got up and blow dried my hair this morning and put product in it and makeup, not realizing just how much rain it was just going to be. Don't care about your hair. People are still out in their golf carts. There were some desperate fans waiting on the swimming hole to be open, but it has now been probably an hour at least. So I don't think it's... Everybody's just slowly leaving. But there are cast members out here entertaining kids like crazy with hula hoops. Oops, there's my finger. With hula hoops and games, which is pretty cool if you brought your kid here to swim, and you know, there's that. Anyway, I can't care about my hair today, but we're going into Cook and Grill. Bye, see you later. What you doing, Ollie? Okay, he's enjoying it. He just crawled right in. Spotted him.
Yep, he's thinking Thanksgiving dinner.
We had more turkeys come visit. There's one. And there's another one. And there's another one. That's a big boy right here. I'm not sure what he's doing.